As you can see, it's got a 2.0 in it, same as the old motor, but that one was seized up, and all the info will be in another video. Watch out for that video. So yeah, so let me see. We got new headers. We got a single wire alternator. Got an electronic fuel pump. And that's pretty much it for the trick stuff, or aftermarket. And obviously you gotta have a custom overflow tank because the old one is rotted out on the inside. But don't worry, Ford fans, I did not drill into the wall. That is an OEM screw that is holding it in place. I only drilled into the old coffee can. But yeah, that's it for the engine. It's stock. And it's got little sand marks that I've given it because I like that rat rod look. And I don't like the white that they overpainted the red with. It was originally red, as you can see from this poorly taped off section. I don't even think they taped off the engine bay when they painted it. They just everything. Probably pulled the motor out and just actually I don't even think they did because it does have white on it anyways. So that's all that the motor is different. Everything else is the same about this car. So yeah, I'm gonna be making these videos, so let me know if you have any questions about anything in particular about the Pinto, and I'll try to figure it out. I got all the manuals. I can look up something if it's not mentioned in the video, and I'll try to go over it. This thing has a lot of work that needs to be done, so there's a lot of stuff that's going to get touched on in the video. Today, let me show you what I did yesterday. I replaced the shocks with the Wannabe Plus gas charged shock absorber. And if you couldn't read that, gas charged shock absorber. And that's because, well, I did that because I noticed these shocks, the lower bushing, before I took this out, as you can see, the fresh part is where this bushing was. So it was sitting in the car straight, but it was cocked over to the right on both sides. So it was that way in the car. It wasn't standing straight, it was up that way. Because this bushing on the bottom on both of them is just gone. I mean, it is bad. And, well, let me extend them first. As you can see, that's how they should look. And when you push them in, they should extend back to that position. And that is how a gas charged shock absorber should work. But this one does not. So, the bushing actually, well, the top bushing is, oh, shit. I don't know how I could have dropped that. This thing is covered in a layer of sandpaper-like dirt. Man, I have butterfingers. All right, well, I was gonna say the bushings aren't too bad, but the top bushing is gone. This one is the bottom bushing. This is the main bushing. There should be another bushing exactly like this one, but upside down on top of it. This one still has it, but that's what it looks like. See the difference? This one should look like that one. I mean, this one should look like this one. What am I saying? Yeah, this one should look like this one. And they also installed this one upside down. Should be the other way. Should be that way. There should be, yeah. Yeah. Anyways. So, I got the Wannabe Plus. They were only $10 each. It was not that bad. Rock Auto really just gets you at the shipping. So you got to get a bunch of stuff all at once for it to work. But I got these off Amazon because I could not get them off off Rock Auto. But yeah, they look pretty good. Ford blue, pretty good. It's a little darker, but nobody's really looking under here. And they actually work. The car actually functions. I don't know if you can. Yeah, well, you can't really see, but let me see if I can't set you up right over here. All right. That took a little while. Hello, I'm Sean from earlier. This is still my 1973 Pinto. And this is how the front suspension works. Look at that. Maybe one bounce after I let go. Yeah, like one. That's pretty good. Before it would just shake. So yeah, today we don't really have any new parts. I do want to take off this grill here and see if I can't take it back up there, put some glue on it, some clamps, and if it ends up gluing, I'll put it back. If not, I still have headlights.